Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility, and we're going to learn about the date picker. So with forms, we often have an input field, and there's different types we can pick as a property, as an attribute. And text will be a common type, but there's also a date. So for this example, this syntax, we see a label here, input, enter date. And we see here the for, the same as the ID, and then the type of it is a date, and it will create a date picker with this. So for this example, we want to add an input tag with a type attribute of date. So we can simply, so they already have a form here with a label. So we just add an input here. You just copy and paste that, and it has the date. And then we just have to change the ID to pick date, because we wanted to correspond, and then the name of it, we wanted to change it to date. And then we have this date picker, we can choose the date we want. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.